some of the boats are leaving because the sea is now rough. You see the pollution from there? It's coming and everyone is leaving now. Everyone is leaving. It's going to stop right. Hey, look, the wind is blowing towards the seaway. Let's see what they do. What do the divers do? Hey. It's a tricky one now. It's tricky. Some are already leaving the shore. It's too strong. They don't outside of it. Stuck. And the rain. Oh, the wind is strong. Very strong. Over here is the soil, and I'm also there here at the sand beach. It's a nice sand beach over here. Me, I'm also there. Here at the sand beach over there. What's up there? And over there, look at that storm, right? That sea wave, that wave. Everyone is afraid of the water now. Everyone is coming out of the water now. Everyone is afraid now of the water. They're all coming out. Everyone is leaving. Because they fear for their lives, which is good to see. Yeah. Everyone is leaving. Even a ship is even coming now. Ship is also coming, which I think I must go back and take a video of.